Holy moly! Happy 4th of July! What are we making? When my father and I would go to Mexican restaurants, his favorite meal was carne asada. And yes, there are so many ways to make it, and different kinds of meat. This is skirt steak. People use flank, people use flap. I could only get the skirt steak, so we're going to use it. We're going to marinate the skirt steak with limes, a little orange juice. People use soy sauce. We're going to do a marinade, and we've got some cilantro. You got to have cilantro. Oh, where's the garlic? You got to have garlic. And we've got guacamole, pico de gallo, pinto beans, garlic, blah, 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 bloop. Limes, oranges, saffron, egg, what is this? Oh, salt. Oh, wait a minute. Here's the kicker. We're going to oven broil. Just about everyone who makes carne asada, they have a grill. They have an outdoor grill. I don't have an outdoor grill. This cost me $10 from Amazon. Long story short, we're going to put water in here. We're going to broil the carne asada. So let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Let's try 5 minutes each side. Ooh. I'm not getting any smoke so far. That's pretty cool. 3, 2, 1. Oh, she looks pretty. Oh. She looks pretty, man. Alright. Okay, stop, will ya? 33, 32, 31. Hurry up! Let's take her out. Let's see what we got. Don't burn yourself. Oh, she's heavy. Wow. Wow. Look at that. I'm nervous. Why am I so nervous? Let me get her off the grill. Look at the char. Doesn't she look pretty? Now we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Gonna let her rest. If it's rare, I'll be very happy. You say to cut it at a 45-degree angle. Oh, let's plate up. Let's try the steak. That's what we're here for. Skirt steak. It's a little fatty. Let's try a piece of skirt steak. Oh, that's good. Oh my. Oh yeah. Wow. One more bite. Oh boy. That's really good. No smoke in the oven. That's really tender. This pico de gallo is awful. I'm sorry. That's awful. I can't believe how bad that is. It has no flavor at all. It's just veggies. Let's put some of that, of the Heridays on there. There you go. Now I'll get some proper flavor. I'm glad I had it from the Breaking Bad video I did. Alright, let's try it now. Here we go. Oh yeah. How long do you want to hang out while I eat? Let's try one more bite. Happy 4th of July. Here we go. That is so tender. I'm freaking amazed. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. That's so tender, man. Water broiling. No smoke. Pretty cool.